Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design personalized emails with ChatGPT. And here's the step by step to create personalized email. So you will just set a tone, decide the tone of your email, formal, casual or professional. And you will just decide the gather data, collect key details about the recipient, name, interest, previous interactions, define your purpose, clearly outline the goal of the email, promotion, follow-up, introduction. So I will just give them command to example on like write a personalized email for you will just paste this recipient name, a job title, it will leave it, you will just edit it before after, and add a company name. You will just three these you will just paste this leave these names, and after we just put the title to invite them to a webinar about future trends in digital marketing. The tone should be professional and friendly. So I will just give them command to ChatGPT and let's see the answer. So it will create a subject invitation to join our webinar on future trends in digital marketing. So it will write ChatGPT the whole email on this title, and you will just put the name and your job title name and your company name, and from here you will just insert the date, insert the time including time zone and duration, and you will just put the platform like Zoom, Team and whatever. And in the last you will just warm regards, you will just write your full name, your job title, your contact information, your company name. So that's it. So in this way you can just easily design your personalized emails with using ChatGPT. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.